Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm standing in front of what could be the most affordable house in El Centenario with all the features that this one comes with. I'm talking about 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. The master has a walk-through closet, as well as an extraordinarily beautiful ensuite bathroom, double sink, so on and so forth. This house has a pool, a rooftop deck with great views of the bay. It's fully walled and fenced. The owners had beautiful little doggos, so it's great for someone that owns pets here as well. There's parking, gates. You know what? Come with me and we'll check it out. I have to give a little extra love to this kitchen. This is extraordinary. You've got a great light in here, window, full-size fridge, beautiful stainless steel appliances. Look at this counter space. It's really amazing. You can stand here in the kitchen, look straight out through the living room area to that beautiful little swimming pool. Enjoy the house. I do. You should reach out. That's a great pool. But we're heading up to the rooftop deck where you are going to see some great views of La Paz Bay. In fact, you might be able to see them already. Look at this shaded pergola, great little seating area right on the roof here. This is amazing.